Hey everyone, waving hand, welcome back to Zia's Artist Palette. Today, I'm going to show you one of my most mind-bending drawings, a staircase illusion that looks completely real when seen from the right angle. Brain penciled that it's drawn on nothing more than a simple sheet of paper. But trust me, by the end, you'll doubt your own eyes. Eyes fire. Stay with me till the end. This illusion will blow your mind. Thanks for watching till the end. Redheart. I hope you enjoyed this 3D illusion as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you loved it, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss my next artworks. Join the ZSArt family and be part of this creative journey. Artist Palette, tell me in the comments, what did you feel when you saw the stairs come to life? Backhand index pointing down. I read every comment and truly appreciate your support. Stay creative, stay inspired, and see you in the next video. Glowing Star.